Yeah, so we are quickly running out of battery on this camera, so it might cut out. 20th of February 2025. Only a couple, probably like an hour or half an hour after the previous video, if I did manage to kind of link them up. So yes, we are still listening to this noise. I do want to get in the bath. I've got to go out and go to work, and instead I'm wasting time doing this stuff because the problem has yet to be resolved by yourselves. So I'm kind of like spending time doing this that I really don't have. So I believe that to be Caleb above. He basically just runs around. I don't really think that his mum has any control on what he does. She will moan at him once or twice, and then he seems to just ignore her and does it anyway. I don't know if she's got like medical conditions or something, I don't know. I don't think that's really anything to do with the whole situation, but yeah, this is what we're listening to. So it's actually a Thursday. So yeah, this has been half term, and it's quite difficult now not to just shout up at them or go and knock on a door and be quite aggressive, because it's like a relentless amount of noise coming from the flat. So there's definitely something over here in their flat that he likes to kind of jump off.